Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun little video. It's a new topic. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my last minute, I don't have money to go to the nail salon, I'm doing this myself type of nails. So let's get started. Here I'm starting with my hands all nice, freshly washed. And I'm just removing some of the excess nail polish from all my fingernails. As usual, you know the routine. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just find the sizes that would fit into my nail bed. So yeah, basically just find your size and stuff. And I'm using Kiss Maximum Speed Glue, and I'm just gonna go and just glue on the nail. I'm also going to include where I got everything. Literally, besides the nail polishes, I got everything under $10. Like $10, that will literally be like your price. So you're spending $10 for a while, and nail salons are like what, like $25, $30? Yeah, okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing it to the rest of my nails, glue on and nail application, just like that. And now that the whole hand is now fitted, I'm gonna go ahead and start trimming it with the nail cutter. I don't know what it's called, but you know, the nail cutter. And just basically like choosing the length that I want. You can also do a shape with this, coffin and stiletto, but that's like a whole different tutorial. So after that, I'm just making sure that everything is even in size and nothing is like too long or too short than the other one. So now I'm just gonna go and take a nail filer and then just start filing the shape that I want. I kind of went more for a regular square with a little bit of a coffin, but more square than yeah. So then here I'm just choosing the nail color. I couldn't debate between which nude, so I chose the Sally Hansen, like the pink berry one. That one honestly fit more for like how I was feeling at the moment. The other one was kind of just too light. So as you can see, I'm just here doing the basics, which this is pretty easy now. It's just honestly painting your nails, and this is like basic 1, 2, 3. But I'm just gonna show you guys how nice the color looks on my skin tone. Like I was really shook. Some colors don't really work good on me. They either make my skin look too washed out, but this one looks really nice. So let me just wait till my hand goes up. There you go. Look how nice that looks. So remember, y'all, this is just like a last minute. I can't do my nails. I'm doing it by myself, and pretty easy. They last about a week and a half. So, but always maintain to have nail glue because you do pop off. But this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll post all the products down below. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.